What are methods to identify and resolve SEO penalties? Identifying and resolving SEO penalties is essential for maintaining a website's search engine rankings and visibility. Several methods can help businesses identify and address potential SEO penalties. First, regularly monitor website performance and search rankings. Sudden drops in rankings or a significant decrease in organic traffic can indicate a penalty. Conducting frequent audits of website analytics and Search Console data can help identify potential issues. Second, use Google's Search Console to check for manual actions or penalties. Google often provides notifications if a website violates its guidelines. Understanding the reason for the penalty can guide the resolution process. Thirdly, review backlink profiles to identify potentially harmful or low-quality links. Google penalizes websites with spammy or unnatural backlink profiles. Use tools like Google's Disavow Links tool to remove or disavow harmful links. Fourth, analyze on-page elements for keyword stuffing, duplicate content, or other violations. Ensure that content adheres to Google's quality guidelines and offers valuable information to users. Fifth, keep on top of algorithm updates and changes. Google frequently updates its algorithms, and some updates may trigger penalties. Staying informed and adapting SEO strategies accordingly is essential. Lastly, fix technical issues that may affect SEO performance. Page loading speed, mobile friendliness, and broken links are some technical aspects that can impact rankings. So to recap, methods to identify and resolve SEO penalties involve monitoring website performance, checking for manual actions, reviewing backlink profiles, analyzing on-page elements, staying informed about algorithm updates, and addressing technical issues. By utilizing these methods, businesses can proactively address SEO penalties. But if you would like to receive some assistance with your website, our SEO experts at bruceclay.com can help you avoid penalties, so be sure to give us a call today.